The Marriott has been, it's on the shore, it's the largest hotel on the shore, in fact, and supporting us for the last 6 years. Let me introduce you to the gentleman on the dais, Lieutenant General K.S. Rao, who's a veteran sailor who's gone around the world in a boat many years ago, and a great supporter of the Monsoon Regatta and the Yacht Club of Hyderabad for the last 5 or 6 years. And we have Dadi Boat, our Vice President, who has very actively participated across the last 3 Monsoon Regattas. And I will now essentially read out the details. There is one interesting announcement which is not part of this as yet, and I'm going to make it today. Probably might be an inflection point as far as Indian sailing is concerned. So Deloitte, as you know, is our principal sponsor. So the Deloitte Monsoon Regatta, they are the title sponsor. The Yacht Club of Hyderabad announces the Deloitte Monsoon Regatta, the 6th edition. This is the 6th edition. And the largest sailing extravaganza. This is the largest sailing nationals in the country. This year we are attracting probably about 100 additional participants, and we are sailing in classes of boats like the Topper, the Omega, the Optimist, Indopsy, and the popular Family Championship. The Deloitte Monsoon Regatta has grown leaps and bounds, and thanks to the support of the Hyderabad Marriott for the last 6 years, and Deloitte India and Land Rover. Land Rover is also one of our big sponsors this year. YCH, Yacht Club of Hyderabad, is a not-for-profit organization dedicated to teaching children how to sail, and a lot of the children are here, and I will read out some of the names at least, and I would like the children to come and join me at the back of the press conference as soon as I call you after some time. They dedicated to teaching children how to sail and growing the water sports infrastructure in India. The club has recently introduced kayaking at Hussain Sagar and Durgam Cheruvu, and YCH on Hussain Sagar is the first open access sailing facility. Most of them are membership oriented. We are not membership oriented. In a short span of 5 years, the YCH, with active support from the HMDA, Hyderabad Metropolitan Authority, has produced some top-ranking young sailors who have been invited to sail with the Asian Games core probable squad. We didn't expect that to happen, but within 5 years, we've had some kids who are now pretty much touching the top of the national fleet. The YCH has strong tie-ups with projects like Project 511, Nandi Foundation, LSN Foundation, Rotary, and Akanksha from Bombay. These kids from all these foundations, including some from Mumbai, have been trained and will be participating in large numbers. With 15 such kids rubbing shoulders with the elite, this will be a regatta to remember. This is the largest number of children from all these foundations who will be taking part. Being located on the banks of the Hussain Sagar makes it a privilege to associate ourselves with an event that focuses on the quality. This is a quotation from Sharad Datta, of the GM of Marriott. Both the Monsoon Regatta and Monsoon Jazz welcome the season, and we are happy to see the children supported by the Yacht Club grow in their sailing and educational careers. The Deloitte Monsoon Regatta will launch India's first intercity event and break away from the old order. This is the first time in the history of Indian sailing that we are doing an intercity event, and the old club format is going to be probably history in about 4 or 5 years from now. It is the only sport which has clubs participating. I'm not sure about golf, but sailing definitely has had clubs. The other sports have districts and states and the natural hierarchy. And of course, the leagues have cities. And at this instant, I can announce that we are going to launch the Indian Sailing League over the next 2-3 years. And this Monsoon Regatta will probably be the first testing the waters of not really the first Indian Sailing League championship, but at least we're going to have the first intercity championship, and we're going to have cities like Bombay, Chennai, Hyderabad, and Goa fielding entries, and it sows the seeds for league sailing in India. So this is a big one, and the Indian Sailing League is going to go across cities and hopefully attract a lot of international participation over the next few years. So that's the big one. The Deloitte Monsoon Regatta will be sailing the America's Cup format. All of you would know that the America's Cup is the ultimate trophy in yachting and in sailing. And this again is another landmark in Indian sailing. We are not going to follow the crummy old style of sailing where nobody knows what's happening at the start, nobody knows what's happening at the finish, nobody knows who wins, nobody knows who loses. And you get to know at the end when it's too late and it's too boring. The whole world of sailing across the world is changing now. And the America's Cup has brought that to the fore. Everyone starts in a straight line, like any other race. Everyone stands in line and starts in a straight line. In sailing, you're bobbing up and down and nobody knows who started first, who started second. You need to have a lot of exotic knowledge about the sport, about the winds, and about how the shifts are working for you to understand who's leading and who's not. It becomes boring for everybody who's watching. And at the end of the day, if nobody is watching, nobody's paying, and if nobody's paying, the sport doesn't survive. So everything in the international world of sailing is changing, and this time we are going to start all our races as far as the Omega Nationals are concerned on what is known as a reach. That we'll explain to you over a period of time, but they will all start in a straight line and it'll be very television friendly. It'll also be very, very camera friendly, and everybody who's watching the race will be able to understand. So the America's Cup format is what we're going to use. And legendary combatants. Now this is another big announcement that after a gap of almost 3 years, where probably India's hottest sailors, Nitin Mongia and Mahesh Ramchandran, are set to battle the waves in Hussain Sagar again. For those of you who have been following the sport, and some of you all have known Indian sailing and Hyderabad sailing for a long time, you will know that both Nitin and Mahesh pretty much started their national and international careers in the laser, and they've gone beyond the laser now. They've gone into big boat racing, and they used to be legendary combatants on the water in the lasers. And today, both of them are coming back to Hyderabad and going to be battling it out for the Intercity Omega Nationals. And I think that will be a battle to watch. Both of them are Arjuna awardees. Both of them are world champions, which is something which very few sports in India have. And so this will be something, and they will be accompanied by Abhimanyu Panwar from Chennai, and of course Yakubo from Hyderabad. Both the defending champion and the runners-up from last year, Vishnu Sujeesh and Dheer Singhi in the topper nationals, will be coming here. And of course you have our own Ragi Rajnikant. If you could stand up, Rajni, can you come to stage? Who was the bronze medalist? Rajnikant? Is Rajni here? Yeah, so Rajni is the bronze medalist from last year, and he's been practicing. As you can see, he's quite fit now, and he's been on the water pretty much every day. So hopefully from bronze, the man will climb to probably silver or gold. So that's Ragi Rajnikant. He's been spending endless time in the water. He's never in the house. In the Optimus fleet, I think the Yacht Club of Hyderabad this time, I hope, and Hyderabad, I think, should put up a really good show. At the last Nationals in Pune and Pavna, we finished 4th, 5th and 6th. And we have, in 4th position in the Nationals was Leela Sagar. Leela Sagar is the little Leela Sagar from Hyderabad. Sagar, can you come up, please? And we also have Rishabh Nair, who finished 5th. Leela Sagar and Rishabh Nair, could you please come here? Yeah, just join us. They finished 4th and 5th. And hopefully they will also climb. So 4th and 5th is something which was unexpected. And Hyderabad, I think these kids will move up. The little sailor to watch from Bombay, I think she's not here, but I think most of them will start coming. On the 30th, the photographers are welcome on the water. All of you can please come onto the water and we can take you around and show you. Most of the kids will be in the city by the 30th. There are many coaching camps, so hopefully the lake will be dotted with those lovely little white sails. Again, this is the first time we have worked for the last 5 years, set up the infrastructure at the Yacht Club of Hyderabad. The Monsoon Regatta has been going on for its 6th year. In fact, the Monsoon Regatta is slightly older than the Yacht Club itself in terms of the sailors. But we've gone to a couple of schools and we've had participation from local schools. So you have, I think the favorite in the topper class is amongst the girls. Amongst the boys, the man is behind me, which is Rajni. And amongst the girls, we have Drishya Mani, who's been sailing the laser for a while and is now moved on to what I think is a much, much better boat, and the topper. The topper's been imported from the UK. It's a red boat. Drishya Mani, the guys is suddenly very shy. Can you please come and join us here? Leela, of course, and in the Optimist, we are expecting Leela to do really well. Sagar. Siblings Juhi and Tanish Desai from DPS. Can you join us, please? I think another sailor to watch out for from amongst the girls is Ananya Chauhan from Gitanjali. And a new entrant to sailing is Anisha Tandon from Chirek.